Hello, welcome to the 5th video in BoomerTech Adventures course, Unlock Safari Secret on your iPad in just 5 lessons. This video focuses on reader view. Now here's a recap of the 5 videos. You may have already gone through 4 of them. You can do them in any order you want. However, we will be today just focused on reader view. We're going to define, first of all, what it is, and secondly, how it works. I think you will find it's really kind of a neat feature that might help you stay focused when you're on your iPad. You're going to be looking for this AA icon. So let's go to the definition. What does it do? Reader view removes all the distractions from the text. Ads, extra links, images that aren't related to the article or the blog. So if you look at the BoomerTech webpage here, you see that there is a blog post entitled, "Are you a potential super ager?" However, you can also click on getting the best settings cheat sheet. You can go to BTA Club. There is a chat feature. There are other blog posts listed. Marketplace, gee, what's there? And so 3 hours later, you finally get to read the blog post. However, if you had connected to Reader View, this is what you would see. You would simply see the blog post and no extra things that would take you out into the net, and who knows where you might end up. Here's another example. This is an article from the Portland Press Herald. It's all about white sharks. But again, look at all the options. Oh, I might want to go see sports and who won the game last night. Food, I wonder if there's a good restaurant to go to. Trending Christmas gifts. Again, lots of distractions from the article. However, on the right you see what it looks like when you've used Reader View. It's just the article and the pertinent images. Well, how do you get to Reader View? Well, it's pretty simple. You're going to look for, and you've probably already noticed, the AA in the search window up at the top. You see the black arrow is pointing to it. You need to choose an article or post to read, and you need to click on that specific article or post. It will not work when you are on a general page like the front page of a newspaper or a magazine, and there are lots of choices. What happens when you do that, when you click on the AA, you see that Show Reader is blocked off or grayed out, so it's not active. However, once I click on a specific article, in this case, boys basketball, no surefire favorites this season in Maine, you will see that Show Reader is active. So I click on it, and you see on the right, the article again, the distractions are gone. Here's another example. This is from Down East Magazine, and talking about a book we took to the woods. And again, lots of distractions, an oral history of cross-border COVID wedding that went viral, all the different options under Down East. When I click on Show Reader, the AA, then all as I see is that article. And I do not go down the rabbit hole and end up in Never Never Land with all the distractions. So, pretty key feature in Safari. This does not work in Google Chrome or any other browser. It's just Safari. So here's the big ideas I want you to remember. You're going to look for those AA's in the search window. Remember that it's going to eliminate distractions, and it will toggle back. You can toggle back and forth between views. All you have to do is tap on that AA and you will go back to the original view. If you have kids or young people who get distracted when they're doing their schoolwork, this is a great feature to point out to them because kids are no different than adults in that it's very easy to be distracted by interesting links. So that's the last video. This is the last video in our course. We thank you for stopping by and taking our course. Again, this is BoomerTech Adventures. You can find us on the web at boomertechadventures.com, and we hope you will stop by. Also, if you have an iPhone, the same course exists for the iPhone. However, I want to tell you that the configurations on the iPhone are different than they are on the iPad. And if you have a Mac computer or laptop, there's also a course on Safari on the Mac. And once again, the configurations for Safari are different from either the iPad or the iPhone. So you might want to take all three courses. Thanks again.